Ever felt weighed down by an invisible burden, a cloud of negativity that seemingly has no source? Today we delve into the realm of energy, exploring the process of cleansing negative energies and fostering a healthy soul. In the grand tapestry of life, energy plays a crucial role. Just as the physical body requires a balanced diet and regular exercise, the soul, too, craves a nourishing diet of positive energy. But what happens when negative energy accumulates? It stifles the spirit and hampers growth. So how can one cleanse these negative energies? The first step lies in recognizing the presence of negative energy. It may manifest as a feeling of constant fatigue, irritability, or a general sense of unease. Awareness is the key. Once you've identified the presence of negativity, you're well on your journey to cleansing it. The next step is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the art of being present, of immersing yourself fully in the moment. It involves acknowledging your feelings without judgment, understanding that it's okay to feel what you're feeling. Mindfulness fosters self-compassion, which in turn helps to dispel negative energies. Moving forward, embrace the healing power of nature. Spend time outdoors, under the open sky, amidst trees, or near a body of water. Nature has a profound way of absorbing negativity and replenishing the soul with positive energy. The fourth step is to cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Positive interactions stimulate the release of feel-good hormones, helping to banish negative energies. Finally, establish a regular meditation practice. Meditation is a potent tool for cleansing the soul. It provides a safe space for introspection, for confronting and releasing negative energies. To summarize, cleansing negative energies involves recognizing their presence, practicing mindfulness, spending time in nature, fostering positive relationships, and meditating regularly. These 5 steps are not a one-time solution, but a lifestyle change that requires commitment and patience. Remember, a healthy soul is not merely the absence of negativity, but the presence of positivity. It's about fostering an environment that nurtures growth, love, and compassion. It's about creating a space where positive energy can flourish, enabling you to become the best version of yourself. In the grand scheme of things, negative energies are but fleeting clouds. With conscious effort and commitment, you can cleanse your soul of these energies, allowing your inner light to shine brightly. And as this light shines, it illuminates your path, guiding you toward a life of fulfillment, joy, and serenity. So take the reins of your spiritual journey, cleanse these negative energies, and embrace the radiant soul that you are.